In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can install Arc browser on PC. First, go to Google search and here search for Arc. Now go to the first link. Now if you are Windows user, then click on this, and if you are Mac user, then click on this. So as I am Windows user, I am going to click on this. Now click on the Arc installer and it's downloading. Now you need to wait a couple of moments. And here you go. Now you can create an account, or if you have already account, then click on sign in. So this is how you can install Arc browser on PC. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, hit the like button